In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Visa gift card balance. Visa gift cards are prepaid, which means the money is loaded in advance and you can only spend what's on the card. One important detail to remember is that you don't check the balance through Visa itself. Instead, you use the issuing company's website or the phone number printed on the back of the card. I'll walk you through the online method since it's the quickest and easiest for most people. Start by grabbing your Visa gift card and turning it over. On the back, you'll see a web address from the issuer. This could be a bank or a gift card provider. That specific link is the official place to check your balance. If you ever see a different site asking for your card details, skip it and stick to the link printed on your card to keep your information safe. Open a web browser on your phone or computer and type in that exact website address. Once the page loads, make sure you're on a secure page. You should see a padlock icon in the address bar. This helps confirm you're in the right place. On the balance check page, you'll be asked to enter 3 pieces of information. First, type the 16-digit card number from the front of your card. Enter it carefully and don't include spaces or dashes unless the page automatically formats it for you. Next, add the expiration date, which is also on the front, typically shown as month and year. Finally, enter the CVV or security code from the back of the card. This is usually a 3-digit number printed near the signature panel. After you've filled in those fields, click the button that says Check Balance or something similar. It may take a few seconds to process. Once it loads, you'll see your remaining balance displayed on the screen. Some issuers also show recent activity or pending holds, which can be helpful if you've used the card recently. Take a moment to note the amount you have left. Consider saving a screenshot or writing it down so you don't forget, especially if you have a few small gift cards to track. If the website isn't working or the numbers on the card are difficult to read, you can use the phone number listed on the back of the card to hear your balance through the automated system. That's it. By checking the specific issuer website on the back of your card, entering the 16-digit number, expiration date, and CVV, and clicking Check Balance, you'll always know exactly how much you have to spend.